Okay.
It's not really that clean, but right there, right here. Yeah, here's nice.
I think that's
It's way better.
Out of the way a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. So I turn it to the right. Are you recording it? Or you just holding it? All right. I give it to Rom. He can see it better from this view. Here, record it from here. All right. So.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Cool. So here is the main camera, right? Power data, and then that's the rear, right? So I can just go up from here and then tuck it in. There it is.
I did.
Is that enough slack? Yeah, I think that's enough, right? You want a little bit more slack?
Yeah.
Right there.
Straight down.
Yeah, this tool's nice. I can just squeeze it in, you know?
Is that the rear camera or power?
This is the power.
Oh, okay.
Bring it over here so you can see it. Well, oh, I don't know.
Is she going through the floor?
What do you think? It's saying to go through the. I can't really see this, but can you turn on the flash? Pause and turn on the flash. Oh, much better. I can't see it.
So once you go down, yeah, that's a good point. Do you have enough cable to go across?
Yeah, that's the other problem. Bloop, bloop, bloop. There, we're just pushing it in.
Get in there.
That's easy.
All right. Now to go across.
You think it'll go across here? Yeah, I think it's
Just run it.
yeah,
and
it's run
see.
through here. Hide
Yeah.
it on the bottom.
You have enough?
Yeah, I think so.
It's in here, right? Okay, let me hold this. See if you can test it out. Test out the length.
Put this in.
I think it's going to be short.
No, I think it'll be okay. You think it'll be short?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What the heck? This one definitely be short. You got it?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm gonna put this in here, slide it, the cable management right here. Perfect.
Short.
No, I think it'll be okay.
Is there no way to... I think I can. And just hide it.
Oh yeah. It's pretty hard.
Yeah, it's all hard plastic.
It's hard to lift it and push it at the same time. Oh. Get in there, bro. There you go. Is that it? We're good?
No.
Too loose?
A little bit of slack's fine. Kind of hard to see, but down in the wheel well. Yeah, looks good.
Okay, and one more on the bottom so people won't kick it in.
Yep.
She's like, damn, that's a lot of work, bro.
Alright, now for the long one.
Really long one.
6 meters.
Shove this thing in.
Part 2 is the rear cable.
This thing's long.
It's going up, across the headliner, up to the other side, a quick honk.
Should I push it this way?
Push it this way. Should
The
go
other way? This way?
up towards the back of the car. Yeah. Perfect.
There we go. In. In. All right, so the thing is, should I go all the way to the top or the bottom?
I would say top.
Top, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stick to the top. Alright, let me come on over there.
Ooh,
I'll
my
show you what's going
arm.
on.
And push it all the way in. There we go. Ooh, my arm. Okay, there we go. It has to go into the actual fabric because if it sticks out, it's not waterproof. There we go. Into the fabric.
That should be fine. Well, there's no water getting it anywhere near.
Well, I don't want it bulging out. There we go. How do I move it?
Essentially going across, hide it here, go back, all the way to the back.
Ooh, smell weed.
This would be a good time lapse.
Go take a nap. Gotta rest my arm. My shoulder's burning like crazy. The thing is, I have to lift this up and squeeze it in at the same time.
It's a shoulder workout.
I'm telling you. Oh, there we go.
I know, we're seeing a lot of nothing and a lot of arm. Wait for this guy to speed up a little. Fighting with plastic and cloth and losing the battle.
I don't want to break the cable.
Oh, there it is. Got some action. There you go. Did a good job hiding it. No one will ever know if there's a cable running here. Going across in between the headliner and this panel. So this is plastic.
Go to the side, Ron.
And then up through this little gap right here. So we're hiding it up in there.
Oh, the wind feels so good. Babe, can you close the garage door? I don't want cats to run in the house. Huh? Just the door. Not the garage door, sorry. Just the door.
Oh, that door's open.
Perfect.
Alright. Now to go to the back.
Wow, I have to do this all the way to the rear.
Yes.
You need to open the trunk.
Alright, let's cut.
There we
Yep.
go. There we go. Oh, it's so much easier. Left hand's hard.
Close it in.
Let's see.
Just need it in around the corner here. We'll come out through here, and we'll come out of here.
Right here?
Yeah, keep going all the way. And then that way there's no panel gap, so it doesn't look like a Tesla. Looks like a Tesla? Doesn't look like a Tesla.
Nice. Alright, there you go.
And then we'll just run it up. And then
Give it some slack.
this car is tricky because the rear
Oh.
glass moves when you open the trunk.
This is long.
Yeah,
Should I,
so we'll need to
reduce it.
just go across here. Tell you what, we just go across and store it in here. And then come out of wherever you want.
Okay. That works. I have to push it in here.
Yeah, this is long. We have another, let's say another 4 feet.
I think here. Yeah, I can hide it up in this panel.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think this is good.
it's hard plastic versus that.
Think that enough room? Right? Enough room?
Yeah, that's the max it opens, right?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yep.
The thing is, how do I hide the slack?
That's what I'm saying. Let's hide the slack inside, either here or there.
I don't think there's a lot to.
Like go all the way across, fold it in, go all the way across again, just hide it in there.
Okay.
Just slide it across.
The thing's really sharp.
Oh! Don't drop it. You
Alcohol.
drop it, you bought it.
I already did.
You so heavy the whole car shake.
Alright. Good?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna mount it between the 3rd and the 4th, somewhere in there. Let's make sure we avoid the windshield wiper that's on the other side.
That's
No.
1, 2, 3 up here.
No, one more. Like 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 up here.
Yeah, 3 and 4. Otherwise, all you're gonna see is the windshield wiper.
Alright, we're good? Alright, here's the clip.
I got $1 for every bubble in there. I think I'm gonna be rich, boys.
You stupid. So dumb. Wait a minute. Oh, this is the other adapter.
Adapter? What is that?
Oh, this is for the actual main. If I don't want the turning thing.
Okay, yeah.
The dashboard.
This just sticks directly on there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is it. Alright, right here, Ro.
3M.
4 up here.
Make sure it's on the plastic.
I know, but right here?
Yeah, that's good. Actually,
Yeah, I think that's
the
enough.
camera should be outside the plastic, so it's
Oh.
clear.
True.
No.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, move it over so the camera's outside
Right
the
here?
plastic. Yep. And yep. Perfect.
1, 2, 3. Should we go one more?
No, should be good.
Okay.
It's above the windshield wiper, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure.
Alright, let's close it and test it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna push this in. Oh, this is not staying. I need to put a little clip.
It's tugging because of here.
Yeah, but still not clipping.
There.
I have an extra clip, just so it won't fall off.
Yeah.
It'll
It's
fall.
not gonna fall off. It'll sag when it heats up. Should be okay. Well, we want it to disappear. I don't want to clip there.
Yeah, but I don't want to risk it. Here you go. It disappeared.
All right.
Close it. Whatever. Just for now. What's next?
Video mode. Recording started.
Yay. It's really blurry. Oh, I see the back, but the front is really blurry. Oh, that's because I didn't get the the thing out. That's so funny. Here's the cover. Voila!
Is this good?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you see the windshield wiper?
I don't see. Let me see what the. How do I view the back?
Recording stopped.
What? The back is tiny. In order for you to connect the rover camera, you have to turn on Wi-Fi, and I'll show you how to do that. So, menu. How do
System settings.
There you go. There we go. Okay. I have to go down on. How about now, babe? Does it find it?
Wi-Fi is on.
Alright, so you have to go to Wi-Fi on your phone to connect it. And then the password's right there. And then connect. There it is. Finish. Proceed. Cool! You can see it all. You can video record. Nice. So how do you see the rear? That's the rear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Click on it again. Choose the front. There it is. That's awesome. There. All right, final product. So after setting it up to the app, really cool.
Video mode.
Yep, that's done. We wired everything.
Wi-Fi is on.
You can't even see it. We even wired down here. Can't even barely see it. Turn on the flash. There you go. See, we wired. So no one can tap or get hurt. Everything, you can't even see the wires, is hidden really well. Oops, sorry.